Here's a final video for the Mark 7 Fiesta rust rectification work. So the last bit I had to do with this project was get it built up and get the side polished. So I'll put a bit of, there's a bit of video in here of me polishing up the side, so you can see the graft involved in polishing up the side. It is labour intensive, but it gets your end result. So there it is, polishing the side. You'll wet flat all that down, get any bits of shit out of it, and then give it a good polish back up. There's some pictures coming up shortly. It's going to show the rust that was on the arch, the rust that was along the bottom of the door. So if you remember, I replaced the door, but I've blended right through. You need to be blending everything because colour matches these days are shit. So you just blend everything and the job's perfect. That's the only way to do it. So there's the rust there on the arch. Another picture before, rust on the arch, rust along the door, so that door's now scrapped. Another door on the car, painted, full side painted, built up, polished up, looking mint job. Customer's happy with it, spot on, so I'm well happy with that job. To see the full projects, go into my videos. Please like this video, please subscribe for more videos, and that's about it with this one. But yeah, looking good.